Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at terminal in Linux system. To open the terminal, first of all you have to go to system tools, and here you can see make terminal. So just click that one and that will come, it will show something like this. This is your username of the computer and this is the computer's name. Okay, and here you can change this, change some setting on this. To do the changing, just right click this one and go to profiles, and here profile preferences. Here you can see this typing part is showing like a block. So to change that one, click this cursor shape and change this one to I-beam. So this one familiar to you, this one become familiar thing to you. If you like the block one, you can use that one as well. And also there's underline one over there. This one is more familiar to us, so I use the I-beam. That's more familiar. And also you can change the text font size. To do that, use the system fixed width font. Just click this button, and here you can just increase one font length and select it, and it's going to increase the length, increase the size of the font. And that's it. Now let's go ahead and see some some terminal keywords. So first, to find out the directory, the path you are in the Linux system, you can type pwd, small pwd. When you enter, it should show you are right now you are in home/nagras. That's where you are in. Now let's create a file. Okay, let's say I'm creating an empty file. Let's name this one as let's put some name, coffee. Okay, coffee. I create the name of this file, coffee, and in this text file I'm going to type something. Let's put my name is Tiliban. My name is Tiliban and I love pizza, and I close this one. So it's going to be served, and I close this one, serve and close. So it's going to be on our desktop. It's served in the desktop. Okay, my name is Tiliban and I love pizza. Now I want to open this file using the terminal. Now let's see how to do that. To open the file using the terminal, this is the keyword you have to type in, CAT. So whenever you want to read something, just type CAT over here. CAT over here. Let me adjust this one a bit. Okay, CAT over here, and type desktop, because that's what we want, where we want to go. Desktop / whatever the name you created. Here we created the name of coffee, so we have to type coffee right here, coffee, and that's it. Now if you enter, it's gonna read the file for you. It says read the document for you. My name is Tiliban and I love pizza. That's what we typed right here. Now to see the directory again, you can type pwd to see where you are in. You are in home nagras. Now to see all the files in the directory, you can just type ls, and it's going to show you all the files in the directory. And if you want to see the file directories with details, you have to type ls -l. So it's going to give you all the files with the details. Now there are some hidden directories as well. To see the hidden directories, ls -a, but here it's better not to edit something on this because it's hidden for some a reason. These are very important things. You shouldn't be changing that. And that's hidden directories. And if you want to clear, since we have all of these things, and if you want to clear all of these things, you can just type clear over here and enter. It's going to be cleared and you're going to get a blank screen. And also if you want to details of the hidden directories and also the regular directories, there's a way to do that. If you want to see the details and the details, we usually type just -l for that. But if you want to see the hidden directory details, you can combine these two together, like ls minus la. You will see hidden directory details as well. Regular directory details and the hidden directory details. And those are the basic stuff about terminals. I'm going to make more videos on Linux system. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.